Hey, Jason Buckner here from Automation Made Easy. I want to introduce you to an app that I use, and it's called Bonjoro. Okay? Now, Bonjoro is this fairly basic little system. And what it does is we trigger from Keep or Infusionsoft across to Bonjoro, and then I get my phone. I can't show you my phone actually because I'm using it to record right here, right now. But on my phone, I get an alert that says record this sort of video. Okay, and so I swipe left and I open it up and I say, hey, Jason Buckner here from Automation Made Easy. Thanks so much for registering for blah, 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 whatever it is. And I give a little bit of content. Hey, Jason. Hey, Joe. Hey, George. Hey, Melody. You know, and so I can be very, very targeted and record a personal message to that person. Now, why would I want to do this? I hear you ask. Why would I want to record a personal message to a lead or a personal message to a customer? I wonder why. We want to automate everything we possibly can. That's my ethos. You know, that's what we do here. But if we can automate a trigger for you to give some interaction with a customer that's personalized directly to them, it's going to add so much more value. Okay. First time I used Bonjoro, I had 4 quotes that were dead in the water, and I'd sent them emails, I'd left voice messages, I'd sent them SMSs, and I had no reply on any of those. And then I sent a personal Bonjoro message to all 4 of them, and 3 of them ended up becoming customers as a result of the Bonjoro message. I also use it to increase attendance at my live events. So I'll send, I know it sounds like a lot, but hear me out here. I send a Bonjoro message to every single person who registers for my event. And then I give them a little snippet of content in the Bonjoro. And it gives us the ability to give a personal message to that person. And they feel warm and fuzzy about it. And I continue getting replies. Oh my God, I'm so happy that you sent a personal message to me. I'll see you at the event. So many of these sorts of replies coming along. I use it for live events. I use it for webinars. I use it for definitely live webinars, well, whether they're pre-recorded or live. Increases the attendance, increases the engagement before you get people to come along to the webinar. Now, I hear you say, I don't have time to record any more videos. I want you to make time, okay? I want you to make 15 minutes of your day Bonjoro time and trigger the right things at the right time to come along to your phone. Just use my case as a little prop here. Come along to your phone so you can swipe, record a message, make them feel good, and then get them to come along to whatever it is that you're doing. Now, this doesn't stop if you're a clinic, okay? If you're a clinic doing this sort of thing, then it's super, super important to make sure that you're using this at the right times. When someone cancels, if they haven't rebooked within 3 days, we get the practitioner to send a Bonjoro. Hey, just checking you're okay with your sore neck, or you're this, or you're that. We can put all of that information into the Bonjoro swipe so you know what you're recording for. Someone cancels, someone misses. If you want to do a follow-up, we can automate some follow-up based around someone coming in for a particular type of appointment so that you can follow up and give a very, very personal message. I say all of your practitioners should be doing this for at least 15 minutes a day. Just sit there and record all of their Bonjoro messages. I don't know why I'm swiping this around. Record all of those Bonjoro messages out to their patients to have even more follow-up and show even more care. It's a super simple thing that can happen that's going to increase your clinic rebooking rates as a result of that, because you're showing that personal touch and that personal care.